since 2020 and heading into this year, and I'm certain throughout the remainder of this year, you may hear election deniers telling you that the Constitution allows state legislators to decide for themselves who's going to win the presidential election. That's just simply not true. It hasn't been true for well over 3 years now, and certainly for the remainder of this year. We've heard election deniers say that the US Constitution allows state legislators to decide how both elections are going to be run and how they're going to turn out completely by themselves, without any of the normal checks and balances applied by state constitutions, state courts, governors, without any of the rules created by election officials. They are even contending that state legislatures can decide who the president is, regardless of how people vote. I want to make it very clear, that has never been the rule. It was not the rule in 2020. It is not the rule now. The US Supreme Court confirmed that this summer in Moore v. Harper, where they reaffirmed the system of checks and balances that has governed American elections for over 200 years, and they killed the independent state legislature theory. There was not an independent state legislature back in 2020. There's not one now. There won't be one during election season in 2024 and going forward. You may hear a lot of legalese. You may hear a lot of appeals to the Constitution, even the language of the Constitution. I want you to keep two things in mind that are critically important for staying sane throughout this election season. One, we have a system of checks and balances in this country. Legislatures don't have a free hand. Two, in America, the people decide the outcome of elections, not their state legislatures.